How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on Australian dollar versus US dollar. A little late to where I normally would post it, so we can see Thursday's candles already forming. It just opened about an hour ago. What time is it? It's currently 7:49, so about an hour and change ago, the new daily candle has opened already, but it's still technically Wednesday, so this is Wednesday's results here. So we can see price shot up really fast, leaving a discounted area. So it went from being oversold and now going what into overbought condition. Now, does it mean it has to sell now? No, it could continue trending higher. Now, the reason I would say it might continue trending higher is because we just broke a swing high here and we broke a swing high here. The fact that we broke a swing high to me means bullish momentum may be coming into the marketplace. So we'll put this here to remind ourselves that this is something we need to be paying attention to. So that's bullish momentum. After that, if it's going to continue to go higher, it needs to print a higher swing low. The fact that I also see that there's a potential fair value gap that's going to form here, it's also piquing my interest. So it's intriguing me thinking, okay, if it does create a busy here, right, it might get filled in a little bit, but it might leave this open. Who knows if this gets fully rebalanced tomorrow on Thursday? However, I do think it's going to be a fair value gap more than likely here. And if price trades down into it, I would like to see the higher swing low form inside of it and then price continue to target swing high formation. So right now, I would say that price is bullish just off of the stance that we broke a swing high. But this can be a false break, right? So step one, we got swing high broken. And swing high broken will normally equal bullish momentum. What we're going to be waiting for is what? Waiting for higher swing low to go long. Now, which one is it going to be higher than? It's going to be the one that it just recently formed. So this is a swing low formation, right? So we just write this out. Swing low. We just broke a swing high. So we need the next swing low to form higher, to continue trending higher. We also have buy side here. Even though it's not the IPTA level, it's still buy side. Don't think that these levels are irrelevant because we're looking at IPTA. The focus is, yes, in next 20 days, we may get to these levels or these levels. However, there are levels that are in between those levels that are still significant to price action. We need to pay attention to that. So got that swing high here. Multiple swing highs actually. You got one here, one here. You got three swing highs that were broken. So that could be really significant. Price really wants to show itself to go higher. If we take a look at the dollar index, we can see the inverse is happening. So price ran up, took out that 20-day high, right? Traded back up into that old 40-day high as well. And now we're going to look to see if price is going to continue to sell off. We didn't break any swing low here yet, but do we get a lower swing high, though, that forms? So even if we don't break a swing low, do we get a lower swing high to break? Right now, I do think the draw currently right now would be to this swing low that we have here. It's not an IPTA low, but it's still a swing low that we would want to gauge price on. And we want to see if price is going to target that too in the near future. But it could do a pullback and then go short. Or price is actually going to gauge to go higher. So we'll have to see how the rest of this week plays out. By next week, we should have a better understanding of where the market's going. So right now, I would take the stance that we might be bullish for AU. And we want to look at other correlated pairs too, right? So we'll look at something like EU. What's EU doing? Or is EU going higher? Yes, it created a swing low formation right here. 1, 2, 3. It's going higher. It looks to be probably targeting this swing high. Maybe we do get a higher swing low in EU too. So you notice they are moving in code right now. GU, same thing, right? There was a large down candle at the start of the month, and now it looks like price is turning back around. And we're trying to go higher. GU also broke a swing high formation. So I'll just leave a note here. Do we get a higher swing low near term? That's what we're looking for because we had the break of this swing high. So we're going to see, do we get a higher swing low to continue to push price higher? So let's take a look at New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. And the same thing can be said and seen here too. So price also broke a swing high formation. So we got some signs of intermarket analysis that we might be on the right page here. And the market is starting to get ready to trend. Another pair I was looking at was NJ. And we can see it's pushing up high. You guys saw those longs that I took earlier that I sent in the chat. You can see price is looking to trade up. Remember, after down candles, if you're expecting price to go higher, you can buy. Now, you don't have to wait for the trend formula. I think a lot of people take it by face value in what I say. You can look at any swing point or any moment in time and think, okay, I think price is going to go higher tomorrow. In order for me to go long, I need to see a down close day. We had one here at the beginning of the month. The next day I went in long, right? On weakness with the limit stop, right? The limit order, buy limit, and then on strength, buy stop at the open and the close, buying at both sides. And now look how price trades up and away from the down close candle. So just to bring it all back home, we broke a swing high recently, and we're looking for a higher swing low to form. So let's go back to AU. Looking for a higher swing low to form. That's all we're looking for right now. So right now, the trend formula is in the process of being completed. So we got the first variable. The second variable is pending. So hopefully you found this insightful. Peace.